Wait, Adobe. Hey. Stop picking up.
Touch everyone before you pick.
Take.
It's not bone. It's not bone.
That one.
Obi.
Yeah. Obi, leave it. Mom, take. Oh.
Yeah, take.
Eat your meat now.
What do you say?
No, don't. Eat your meat now. Oh, my meat is too small. My meat is too small. Give it. But you can have my own. Thank you. Hey. Hey, Mama Nupu. Mama Bele, why did you do that? I want to but Mama Nupu, thank you. See now, you people have to learn to share. Mama Nupu has given me her own. Ozugono. Hey. Hello, Namo. How are you? I'm fine, ma. Hello. How are you?
Okay. Auntie Adobe. Auntie Ezeonu said you should give me any of the dirty clothes.
Oh, really?
Wash it.
Is she going to the street?
Yeah. Adobe, check the top of my bed. You see some dirty clothes. Okay. Chini, I also go there.
Mama. Let me go.
Oh. Obinna! Go and get your slippers. Let us go to the bush. You have seen it, eh? This is the only piece of land that I inherited from my father. And if I die tomorrow, you are the one to take care of you. As my only son. Do you hear me? So, if I'm around or I'm not around, make sure you'll be coming here regularly. So that you master the place. So that you know where it starts and where it ends.
Anytime anybody can pass with you, you will know. That is the essence of my coming here now with you. And you have known it. Good.
But Papa,
Eh?
why are you sounding like that? Are you going to die or something?
No. I'm not going to die. But you know death. Death is inevitable. Death comes at will. It does not ring bell. It doesn't tell anybody that it is coming. It can come anytime. But really, I am not dying. Oh? Wrong one.
Okay, I promise to
Love you.
Hey, what were you doing when you had this cut off leg?
I went to the bush with Papa. When I had this injury, he took me there to show me the land from the beginning to the end, so that when he dies, I can take over the land as the really son.
That's what Papa told you.
Obinna, did you show Mama this leg when you came?
Sorry, Hey, Adobe, tell us the story you wanted to tell us before Obinna interrupted.
Adobe, over to you. It's your turn today. Oh yeah.
Okay, the story goes like this. There was a man. I was married.
What is this tell by moonlight? Adobe, please, if you do not want to tell us the story, then tell us. Let's go and see.
Okay.
What's the problem?
Did you take Obinna to Mama?
Yes, I did.
You did?
I said yes, I did.
You say you did?
Yes, of course.
You say you did? I overheard him telling his sisters that you took him to our land and told him that he will take over the land when you die. Iku.
Is that why you call me?
Is it not enough reason to call you? Eh?
Well, I took Obinna to the land. Obinna is my only son. He deserves to know everything I own. So I took him there for him to familiarize there. Yes, I did.
Go and call him now and correct that impression, because it will not work. Are you now saying that my daughters are not your children?
I never said so. I never said so. They are all my children. Yes. But you remember that they are women. They will make their own homes. They will soon get married. Obinna is a man who is supposed to take care of everything that I own in case I am no more. Yes.
Don't tell me that nonsense. What do you mean by they are women? They will make their homes. They will get married. Is it every woman that will get married? Eh? Go and correct that impression. I don't want problem. Just go and correct that impression. If they don't get married, it's just what I had. Nonsense. Yeah, what I had. that your father took him to our land and told him that he will take over that land when he dies. Oria?
He told us something like that last night.
And both of you stupidly laughed it off. Oria?
Mama, does that mean anything?
Hey! You did not just ask that question. It means a lot. It means a lot. Your father took just one person to the only land we have and told him that he will take over that land when he dies. You're here asking me, eh?
Well, he did not give Obina any land. He only took him there to show him around where the boundaries are. Don't share any land or give Obina any land.
Which other way do you want him to share it? Eh? He has shown one person the boundaries. He has shown him everything. He even told him that he will take over the land when he dies. Can you trust this to or share? Eh?
Adobe, I think I see reason for what Papa is saying. Yes, because if that wasn't what he had in mind, he would have taken all of us to see the land.
Oh!
Or are we not his children?
Joa!
Did you just mean what you just said right now?
Adobe, I mean every word I just said. Listen, let me tell you the truth. Sana anyunu. Because I will not let it happen. Omekwa unu baziaka. You will not have any other thing. You will now have any inheritance just because you're girls. Sakwana anya. As for me, I will do everything possible to make sure it doesn't work. Amara Makunu. Are you people game? You're game. Okay. Papa! Papa! Papa!
Papa! Dotana, why are you people with cutlass this morning?
Papa, we want you to take us to the farmland to show us everything about it.
You don't want to talk.
Is there anything wrong with the doctor?
Papa, everything is wrong with us.
Everything is wrong with us. You took Obina to the land that belongs to all of us, and you told him that he would take over the land when you die as the only son. Papa, why? Why?
Adobe, why are you shouting? What is wrong?
Your husband took your son to the land that belongs to all of us. Yes, and told him that he will take over the land when he dies as the only son.
It's not possible. It is not possible. Nani can never say that.
You think so? You think so? Why not ask your son or your husband?
Mama, it's true.
Hey, Nani, how could you? Mama, you're here and you're hearing these girls talk to their father in such a manner and you're not saying anything.
He deserves it. Yes, so he deserves it. Because I don't know why he should take a piece of land that belongs to the whole family and give to one person.
Whatever Papa told you, don't listen to him at all. You hear me? Don't listen. Papa is just joking.
Papa, please. Is it true? Did you say that to Obina?
Now listen. I am the head of this family. Nobody questions my action. Nobody. Now both of you leave my side. Leave this place immediately.
Papa, we are not leaving.
I can live here.
We are not going. You take us to that land. We are not going. You take us there.
Adobe, you and Lotana, who have gone in. You people have seen it.
Mama, you said it though. I didn't believe you.
Good. He said we should get out of his sight.
Mama,
excited.
Mommy.
Let's go.
Mama, we are not going anywhere. Mama will take us to the land.
No.
But what's the meaning of all this? Is Rebecca not angry with my son?
Mama, look at the kind of question you're asking, Papa.
Is it not very obvious that they are not happy that you have a son?
Will you shut up your mouth? Isn't they shut up your mouth? Why would you say a thing like this?
But Papa, I will not shut up. I will talk. Yes, they are not happy. What surprised me most was when Obina was telling us about how you took him to the bush. Everybody was enjoying it. No one complained. So why would they come up with such thing now?
It was a misconception.
Misconception indeed.
Whether it was a misconception or not, Bombom, we need to talk to them.
Yes.
If I listen,
I will warn them. They won't do it again. I promise you. But let us just take it that nothing happened.
So what do you do?
I said it and I will do it.
Obin, I know this is your favorite scene.
What is it? Mama, they said they don't want to eat with us.
Nan.
If they don't want to eat, let us forget them. Let's forget them and eat our food.
No, Nan. Let me go and call them. Yes, I'll call them.
I wonder why they should think like this. See, because of this small thing that just happened.
Can you see? Just a little thing. They will magnify it.
I sent isn't it to come and call you people to eat. But she said, you said you're not coming to eat.
So why are you here?
I just came to find out why.
As you can see, we are trying to cook our own. Mama is in. You must have one in this. Good. And there is absolutely no way Oka can intimidate Ilisu. I have said it. So get up.
Adam, Lota, why you people should come, let's go and eat. What did Ezine tell you when she came? Forget about what Ezine said. Lota, if you see the big piece of meat I get for you, you can like it.
Forget this woman. You like it? You like it? Come on, you like it? Follow you up in this house.
Mommy,
Go! I will show you this. Your tough woman is made of. Just leave. Go! Hey! Are you still there? Yeah. I said this now.
She wants to write me with big lips.
Mama, did any of them touch you? Then why are you crying, Mama?
Mama, no bukogi. She said I'm a backstabber.
She did what?
What can you do?
Lady, my mother just said you did not touch her. I swear to God, if you had touched my mother, how can you forget to do it? I was not right! Did you
point at my mother? Hey, don't even call me. Don't call my name because you caused everything that is happening right here. Hey. Ezine, I'm asking you the last.
Don't you ask me that stupid question! I did not touch you. You heard me. You heard me.
Mama, did she touch you?
Yeah, she did not only touch me. She did not only point at me, she slapped me. You're a liar.
Mommy,
You slapped my mother. Oh, you thought?
It's okay.
How dare you walk away from me? Are you mad? Are you mad? The next time you will try this, the heaven will not only lose, but it will cease to rejoice. You are mad. You are mad. Get out! Get out!
Mama, please, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Useless girl. Useless people. Shame on you.
Ezine!
Mama?
Give up your piano. Come, please.
Mama.
Okay. You know, it's obvious Mama Nuku is not happy with us. Especially with you.
Because of what, Mama? It's impossible.
Okay.
Why are they not happy with me?
Shut up your mouth. What do you know? Listen to whatever Mama has to say. As it is impossible.
Ogbonnaya, you're my only son in this whole world. If anything happens to you, you understand, I'll be lost. So you need to be careful. Watch the things you eat from them and how you go in. It was in your presence that they refused to eat with us. Doesn't that show you that they have something at the back of their minds? Okay. Oh?
Have you heard her? Henceforth, do not ever go close to them. Do not go to their house. Do not collect anything from them. Be it food or water. Have you heard? Have you heard?
Why are these things happening?
They are happening because of you.
I will tell you why. You see, they are jealous of you because they know that if anything happens to your daddy, you'll be the one to inherit that piece of land.
Yes.
And take over all the property. That is the genesis of the whole thing.
What is land? Let's leave the land and become happy again.
Hey, is there? Will you shut up your mouth? What do you know? If you say that nonsense again, I will slap the living daylight out of you. Don't you know that land is very important? Or when you must have grown and you want to build, you build it on top of my head, or on top of Mama's head. Land is very important.
You leave your father's land and you go when you're the youngest son of this land. Now check it and
No, I'm not comfortable with this.
Obviously, so you've grown, eh? We are talking and you're walking out. If I slap you, Mama, go deep.
Finally, thank you. Maria, it took you forever to come out for this meeting. Sorry, Isi.
The one Yara.
Well, the most important thing is
Dear Maria,
forget that things are like this. I want you to always remember that I am the first wife of this honorable family.
Hey, that's for certain.
You are just coming now for the meeting I called over an hour ago. I know now I'm going to excuse me. Hold it there. I need to correct an impression here.
Mama Nuku, Nana, Dikeh, did you invite us for this meeting to remind us that you're the first wife of this family?
Mama Nani, I have been shutting up. And I can't shut up anymore. Yes. What I do, I'm not shut up. The fact that I call you Mama Nuku and Mami does not mean that I don't know my rights in this house. Yes. Hey.
Maria, I put it to you that you don't even know your rights in this family. Look at her, big for nothing woman.
Papa, small for nothing. Did I hear you singing it? Is anybody talking? Shut up, your mouth! Hey, shut up! You cannot do me anything! You cannot do me anything! You heard her very well! Oh yes! She said that you you! Lotana Onunkapi! And be so wicked woman! Yes! All of you, Bodini! Tiny Kapu! Tiny Kapu!
How many times have I called you?
Boleto.
Uncle Boleto? Uboleto? Now get back to the house.
Eh?
Get back to the house!
I am not going anywhere.
What?
I am not going anywhere! Lotanda must come out here and face me. I will be here till tomorrow if you don't come out. Just leave her, okay? Leave her. Tomorrow we will get her. Mama, I can't. Mama, I cannot. No. Lotanda must come out here. I will break this door. Come out here. You know, now you are dumb. Now you are deaf. You can't hear me. Come out here. Lotanda, come out. I will break this door.
I'm going to beat you like a little girl now. I will beat you.
Papa,
do you want to break my door?
Papa, I will break this door. I will break this door.
You break my door for what?
Because of Lotanda. Why would she come and fight me? I was quarreling with Adobe, not her. I am older than Lotanda. Why would Lotanda come close to me to touch me? Oh, no. Lotanda, come out here. Come out. I should even turn my clothes, mommy. See me. My clothes is torn. Because of who? Lotanda. No. Okay. Come, let's go home. We will deal with her later. Just calm down. There's no point wasting your energy, yeah? Because of you. What now? What am I going to have to touch you?
Riabella. Go with your food. I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat.
Meaning you're not hungry or what?
I am hungry. But I don't want to eat your food. That is what I said.
Nai, I hope you're joking.
Just go with your food. I'm not eating. Go with it.
No problem, I will go. So I should carry it?
Carry it and go.
Don't shout. No problem. I should carry it. You're not
Just
eating?
go, I'm not eating.
Okay. So this is why you do not want to eat my food? Eh?
I don't have that time, I told you.
You eat it too. Seafood. If you want to eat, eat. If you don't want to eat, leave it here.
Open okay. Nine. When you women don't bend in our marriage. Found what chassis, no matter how much they try. I can't fabric.
Maria! Maria! I'm a Nagarubu. I'm a Nagarubu. Nine. Very.
In our power, boy. I come out to see as I was getting of
Very. Maria! Rim! Any other? What is it?
Come out, dog! Come out! Come out! Come out! Come out! Hey, tell her to come out, oh! Tell her to come out! Come out! Burn this house!
Which house?
Come out! This house!
Will you burn?
This house! Come out too! Hey!
Tell your mother to come outside. Tell your mother to come outside. Else! Else again, man! Hey, but what will you do?
Thank God you are here. What will you do?
Eh? Ngwana. Rida.
Rebecca, you went to call these tiny pigeons you have to ask for.
Oh.
He called Adiosi. Yes. He can watch.
You want to
Rita, no.
Calm down now.
Calm down if you are not afraid of me. Calm down. Calm down.
It's respect.
Hey, Mama, today calm. Calm down.
You think my mother is afraid of you?
Stop Listen now. Listen. You people are pushing me to the wall. You are pushing me to the wall. You are pushing me to the wall. Because if I bounce back, it will be better.
Oh, wait, baby boy. Papa, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen.
Nine. I want you to give us a date that we're going to share our land so that everybody will mind his or her own business.
Give you a date that you will go and share which land?
The only land we have now, called the two.
Is that why you call me Isaac?
Yes. Or do you like the way we fight every day? Do you like it?
Rebecca, I can see you don't have any respect.
Don't have any fear. Well, I don't have any land that I'm going to share to anybody. You hear me? And let me warn. Don't call me again for this kind of meeting. Don't call me in respect of that land again. You hear me?
What makes you think you can actually walk out on me without solving the issue on ground?
Rebecca, if I'm not mistaken, I am 20 years older than you.
100 years. So what?
Rebecca, can you stand on the way of your father like you have just done?
My father is a very responsible man.
Now get out of here.
Oh dear.
Get out of my way!
Bia, Rebecca, move out for him now. Why are you blocking the poor man?
I don't know.
Will you shut up?
Imagine.
Shut up! Is it your business?
It is my business. Yes, he's our husband.
Who's your husband?
He's not saying I'm here.
Who's your husband?
He's our husband.
Can you stand on the way of your father like you
No, my father is a responsible man. Oh, you need to find out, man. I am going
to do to you what an irresponsible man can do to his wife. Do you hear me? Please come out from there. She doesn't know herself.
Come down! Come with us.
Come out.
No, you can't be trusting.
Don't allow her to say this.
Come down. Be prayer. Foolish woman. Be come. You must share that land. You must share it. Who do put on the
Two women in one house, somehow, mobile argument, obulu fight, mobulonka, obuloza, mobulula, obulopa, ezinula, rasasia, oh, Vanu, come, chai, they have started again, aye, Osuga. Two women in one house, somehow, mobile argument, obulu fight, aye, Osuga Kifanaza, aye, Obotubaga, two women in one house, somehow, mobile argument, obulu fight,
Nani can walk by. There will be no peace in this house, except these things are shared into two equal parts. Mom, half given to Mama Nuku, half given to Mama Belle.
Papa, did you hear that? Hey. Did you hear what she just said? Violent woman.
Madodi, it is obvious. You are completely against me. You are looking for my trouble. Yes. Manan magwa nkebe ezogu. Okuko setapu ijele ya bakwana oso. Okuko setapu ijele ya bala oso. Why did you enter into that farmland without my consent? And you know very well that all these things belong to you and Mama Obinna.
Simple.
Why?
Don't just get me angry. Don't get me angry. I am your first wife. And Adobe here is your first child.
Mama,
I do not have any business with this woman and her children. Is it because I'm a nice woman? An egg?
Now listen. This thing should be shared into two. It should be shared into two.
Yes.
And let me sound this warning once again.
to everybody. Nobody should enter into that farmland without my consent and approval.
Impossible! Nobody is dividing anything here. Yes.
Adobe. Adobe, you are going to contend with me. You will contend with me, but I assure you, you are going to regret it.
No regrets anything.
You will regret it. You hear me?
Papa, why do you hate us so much? What have we done to you?
Behave like my real daughters.
No, you are behaving like that.
Not at all. You are not behaving like my real daughters.
Who is even sure?
It's your fear.
It's
your
fear.
Shut up.
Mommy.
Let me tell you something. I am not afraid of your life.
Yeah.
Neither am I afraid of anything about you.
Yes.
I'm just keeping quiet because you can't go out from now.
Hey.
Now you because share the produce.
Share what?
Share it.
Don't touch anything.
Respect yourself.
Papa! Respect yourself. Don't touch me. Papa! Pack my things. Papa, no. Papa, please. Papa, please open your eyes. Papa, Chalo.
Look, my brother. I didn't want to cry out to you people because I thought I could resolve the matter by myself. But you can see, when one was on and Alanga Halal. My wife, Mama Adobe, is helped to something. So I can see it now.
Bonnie. In her mind, no, are you joking or are you serious? Are you telling me that Rebecca, Mama Adobe, purposely pushed you down?
No. If you she pushed him and even wanted to go on top of him, stealing the picture of his life. We held her back. Mama, seriously, as from today, I don't want anybody to hold me from what I have in mind to do to those people. I don't want.
It has not gotten to that. Whatever thing you have in mind that you want to do to those people, cancel it here and now. Because this matter will not go further. Bye.
What are you here for? You want to find out if he's dead or alive, okay?
I came to know how he's faring.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Child, I don't know.
Thank you. Your plan did not work at all.
Look at what plan. It is just the work of the devil. No way going to.
Rebecca, Mama Adobe. I don't want to believe that you purposely, you intentionally pushed your husband down because of plantain and palm fruits from his own land. Eh?
Because this is not the appropriate place and time to apportion blames. You heard when I just said that it was the work of the devil. Fuel to give more coming. Liberal to nation, personally, my package for win.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. You can now leave now. Good Samaritan.
Look back here will leave. Our home family.
I'm very sure you heard what he said. He said he cannot leave.
Ugwuoke. You won't need Ebere. Your
presence irritates me. Somebody that says
look what you were here now.
Leave now.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not hungry.
I know you are hungry. Just hold on, eh? Let me go and get you food. You finish it before your mother comes back.
And you, Musa, are you hungry? Yes, I am. You cannot say no. Move back. Leave here. Right. The food. Hey! You gave him what? Obina, have you tested this food?
No, I've not tasted it.
For someone I can know! Are you stupid? Don't you know they want to kill you? You want somebody to kill you? Eh? Andrew, why did you give my brother food? Why would I give him? Ogbonnaya, why did you give my brother food? I gave him food. Hey! You chew the food and you go with our enemy. You chew it away. What will you do? You are going with the
Auntie Lotana, please separate them now.
Don't call my name. Don't talk this problem. Don't be right. I will kill you. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Stupid. Look at it. Shut up! I am very disappointed. Obina! I'm disappointed. You're very foolish. It is now very obvious to me that you're very, very stupid. You were told not to collect anything from anybody. And you went ahead. You still went ahead and collected something from our enemies, eh? So you want to die? You want to die so that they can take over everything up here? Obina, after dealing with you today, next time, if someone gives you food, you say no. Chinak again. Chinak again. Leave me alone. That's what you are doing. Can't you see what Esine is doing? Because I gave that boy food. She's beating up that boy. I don't like it. Let me tell you something. You automatically be at fault if you go out there and fight her. I don't care. I don't care. Let me go and save that boy. Esine is actually beating this boy because I gave him food. Does it concern you? I don't be waiting. Wait. Okay, see. Stupid boy! Idiot! You want to die, Abby? So that they can take over everything from us. Rubbish. Never come here! I'm not done with you. See! Wait, Adobe, wait. See, let's just let it be. Let's avoid the devil. Because I'm begging you, huh? Esine, you are trying me, You are trying me. Leave that boy alone. If she likes it, I'll kill him. Leave that boy alone. Okay. Adobe, it's okay. No problem. No problem. Mama, a second would have been too late. This Obina, Osaboreka, he really ate the food. Hey! Nani, did you hear that? Okay, Noli folk. You're not trying to get up there.
I'm sorry, I will not try it again.
You will not try it again. How many times have I warned you? You You go there and be looking for food to eat. Etiko, did you beat him very well?
Trust me now. Don't you know me again? I gave him the beating of his life. He will never try it again. And also,
it's always good to be cautious. However, I know it's not from the money.
But did you know that she would push you down? And what you time you that she would ever push you down?
I wonder.
They say that she doesn't have it at the back of her mind.
I never thought at all that all these things will be happening in my family. Eh?
Say it to me. Cautious is the word. Everybody should be.
Have you heard them? You need to be very cautious. Be very careful. You hear me? A word is enough for the wise. If your mama is a man, if you mafia, listen to them.
What pains me that
I'm even a better cook than you.
Oh, if I'm new on this now, watch a minimum. Let's see Sarah or dumb down. No,
why did you give him my food? Eh? Abacha no kapwa.
Ask her. I told her, but she wouldn't listen to me.
Mama, I was not thinking about the implication. I only wanted to save the poor boy from hunger.
Let this mistake not happen again. Yeah, my love.
I'm sorry, it won't happen again.
Ezine was so lucky. Eh? If not that my sister Adobe was at fault, I would have dealt with her. I would have given her the beating of her life. Nonsense.
No. Can I hear you shut up? Eh? I can't even say anything.
No, the food is too plenty. It's many, that's why.
No, Kabu. Eh? Yeah, me.
What has happened has happened. If you mail me, me best one also. No, bury here, best one also. Yeah, best one, but go best also. If it happens again, listen. We, the kinsmen, will not sit and watch whosoever it is that will raise his or her hand on Nai again in this family. Yes. Oh, my mess, what?
Nai here. He is the eldest in in our kingdom, and we give him maximum respect. Please, whatever you are trying to do, be very cautious. Be good.
Now, because darling, when make no as we come, I can ask an Agbo phone for Uwazuruike. What brought about all this matter that is on ground was that I took my son to my land, the very land all of you know. I showed him the land and I showed him the boundaries. That was all.
What was all? Tell them now, finish the story. Tell them how you told your son that when you're gone, he will take over everything.
Yes, of course. I did. Because he is my only son. If he doesn't know it, who else?
Oh, okay.
Mama Ezeonu. Mama Kefa. Were you aware of this?
Nothing. Nani, I knew nothing about it. Until they started talking about it. Until they started talking about it. Well, you didn't do well. Do you understand? I tried to make peace with Miami here. The woman just started abusing me. She called me names. She said that I'm a backstabber.
That's okay. Yeah. Mama Adobe.
Sir. No respect.
Happy. Kedi Femel, what happened?
Thank you, my husbands. Please, I want to ask a question. In a polygamous family that produced 4 children, one son, from 2 different mothers, how is the best way of sharing their father's property? I just asked a question.
I know where you are driving at. Managedo kwamuntu. Na ajo nwanyi chi mma ito we jebe olu. Mma ito kwuchala akpu. Bolu se n'ubi. Ogbu efu. n'enu okpukwu. Ugbu ofu n'okwu ya. Owele nke ọzọ nataba. Maka onye nwe nke o ejiri ọrụ. Now, like I said, I know where you are driving at. But here in this community, in Ibagwa community, the Ibagwa community tradition allows only the male to share his father's properties. And that is even when his father is dead and gone, not while the man is still alive.
Oh, yes.
Oh, are they made to her?
Yes.
Oh my shit! Hey! Think of my shit. I said no. I said no to that tradition because it is fashion. See, Lenanya, even be so where I come from, everybody is equal. Even the constitution of this country has made it so. So so I will not agree. I have 2 girl children for my husband. He went and took everything and gave to one person. What if those my children want to build on their father's land?
But your children are women, and they will get married one day, and then they will have to build a home somewhere else.
God bless you.
Must every woman get married?
Yeah.
Eh?
Can you see? Can you hear her?
The kind of prayer a woman will say for her own daughters, because of a piece of land. What kind of a woman is she? What kind of woman are you?
I am that woman that you saw, fell in love with and married. The only thing is that I have refused to allow you intimidate me because I know my rights.
You don't know anything. Mommy, you do not know anything. Stop forming. Stop feeling cool. They just put down way. Do you
think I'm an illiterate like you? I don't want to start. I just look at that. Stop that! Stop that! Okay, leave me alone. Okay, and the pistol. And you compare them.
Hey, and I told you. Hey,
It's okay, my master's home.
At least I'm going to
let me say this. Nobody should try to drag or want to share our brother's property. No, not while he's still alive.
When he's alive.
When I know.
No problem. But let him write his will. Sign it and share copies to us. If not, Oga, if not, there will not be peace in this. There will not be peace. I promise you that. I'll pray for peace. I tell you. Not be peace.
Nemo, I heard everything you told them. You spoke like a
I don't agree. I never knew our mother is this intelligent. Mama, you spoke wonderfully well. Yeah.
I told that stupid Oka woman that I am not an illiterate like her. That I know my rights and I will stand by.
Mama, I heard you. I heard everything. Hey? Mama.
Well, I have spoken my mind. I told your father that he must write his will. Sign it and give us copies.
Mama.
If not, no peace.
At all. Mama, you deserve a high five for this.
Okay, Mama.
Bagam.
Where?
Bagam.
Where?
Mama. Soup.
I'm hungry.
Don't worry. What do you want to eat? I'll prepare it for you.
That is why I have come to make some inquiries from you.
What is it that you have come to inquire about from us? Can you
since after the meeting of yesterday, I've not been very comfortable.
Why?
I heard my wife, Mama Dole, say something about the constitution of this country. Yes, so I have come to inquire from you if the constitution of this country says anything about sharing someone's property with his wife.
If it is about that, the answer is yes. So long as everyone lives under the law, the constitution of this country says something about it directly or indirectly. Way of talking about that. That is
of course. What else would she have meant? Or you are afraid that she will take you to government?
Just that I don't want anything to affect me in this song.
No, Obina. No. Nothing will affect your son. I'm going to hear about you, Kugari. God has made it in a way that the rest of your children are female. So automatically, one day they will all get married and find themselves in different homes. And then the matter will come to
Two women in one house, or somehow, more argument, or fight, two women in one house, or somehow, more argument, or fight, more bronca, or buloza. They have started again. Two women in one house, or somehow, more argument, or fight. Two women in one house, or somehow, more argument, or fight. Two women in one house, or somehow, more argument, or fight. Two women in one house, or somehow, more argument, or fight. More bronca, or buloza. More bulula, or bulapa. Ezinula, Rasasia. Run, come, child. They have started again. Two women in one house, or somehow, more argument, or fight. Two women in one house, or
Bom. Emma, you promised you were going to get this much.
Listen,
will do that.
You will?
I will. Listen. Anything.
Nine. I want us to have a brief discussion.
Brief discussion?
Yes.
Yeah,
Let her leave us. It's private.
don't understand.
Let him never understand. Eh? What will he never understand? I want to have a brief discussion with you. 3 walk round. Let her leave. Let her leave. You don't get her, Yoga?
Don't even go there. Excuse you how? I'm not going anywhere. This is my house. I am not going anywhere.
You don't know when you are.
No, I don't like this thing or don't like it, but because I respect you. Let this be the last time you step in here and tell me to leave my house for me. If you want to discuss with him privately, you invite him to your own house.
You don't know my God. No. You don't know why here. You don't know why you're okay. Baby, I have come to remind you about the day.
Is that the discussion?
Yes, and I want you to give me a date now.
Maria.
My name is not Maria. My name is Rebecca. Maria Elegish.
Rebecca. Okay, Manonia may be million Noya, and I may go opposite. Now, walk out of this house.
I say live here. Get out of here. That is what I mean.
Boniface, you cannot use violence to achieve this one. So just calm down.
I said get out of this house. Or do you want me to push you before you go out? Do you want me to push you out of this place?
Push me. Push me. Move Rebecca. Why you be so out of this place? Wash. If you try it, if you try it, I will remind you that I'm from Ibisi. Nyem deto.
dirty ends. So, when I saw it, I got angry and I slapped him.
You slapped him? You slapped a little boy that you knew the day he was born. You went to Tulula when you decimal 25 because of your stupid Okirika clothes.
It's okay. Amazing. It's okay. Isn't it? Tell us what happened.
Papa, I know what Obinna did was wrong. But what right does she have to beat my younger brother? For what? She gave Obinna 2 slaps. When I asked her what Obinna did, she said Obinna mistakenly dirtied her clothes. What's the meaning of that? Then I pulled her back and gave it to her the way she deserves.
The tiger. You grabbed her and dealt with her. Look at what you did to your sister's clothes.
Mama, this is sister. Sister. Whose sister? This one, my sister. She can never be my sister. She's not my sister.
Listen, sit down.
No, Papa, now leave me.
Sit down.
Let me go and jump into the river because this is the officer said she's not my sister. I'm on Pam. Rubbish. Get out.
Keep quiet, for goodness sake. I'm not being. What do you have to say?
Not much. Lotana has to take my son to the hospital to get treated. Else she has me to contend with.
Madovi, what do you have to say in this matter?
Simple. Ezine here will have to buy the exact clothes for my daughter because she did it intentionally.
Yes.
Whoa! Thank you. Over my dead body!
It's okay. Adobe, over to you. What do you have to say?
Lotana will take Obinna to the hospital. Then Ezine will buy the clothes. Simple.
It is very obvious to me now that you're not only blind or stupid, you are also dumb.
You are stupid.
You're hopeless.
You are stupid.
You are a stupid girl. Useless and
Hold it. It's okay.
Foolish girl.
It's okay.
See, if you don't buy those clothes,
it's alright. Stop making the noise.
And turn all your clothes one by one.
Now listen to my judgment.
This one.
Listen for goodness sake.
You know how I do with you. Don't worry.
What is wrong with you? Now listen to my judgment. I'm not being. You will take your son to the hospital.
Okay. You can name the money.
Lotana, you will take care of her clothes. And that is final.
Papa.
Hey!
You are still...
Obinna, look, go and get me a glass of water. Get me water, cup of water. Obinna, look at me. Hey, I'm coming. Obinna, oh, hey, Obinna, call your father. Go to the farm and call your father. But also today, no, Obinna, hey, I want no more. Hey, Obi, your mother is calling you. Hey. Now, Zoko, you have killed me. Ay.
Lotana Zoko, if anything happens to my son, you must go down with me.
Hey, where are you going?
Mama, let me go. Let me know why she's calling my name.
No.
Zoko.
Mama, please. I will slap you. I'm Mama Shigiti.
Mama said, I'm not going there to fight. I just want to know why she's calling my name. That's all.
She said you killed her son. Eh? Just get back inside. Go back. I don't want to repeat myself.
That's their business. The problem I have is my name that she's calling.
Ebere. Don't you know that if anything should happen to that boy, you will be in trouble? Ima, Okay.
Mama. Hey! Obi! 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 Hey! Papa! Obi! Obi! Hey! Mama! Where's Papa? Where's Papa? Papa, Vito! Obi! We need to take him to the hospital.
What is happening? What is happening?
Hey!
Let's go. He's still alive.
Hey!
He's still alive. Let's rush. Let's rush. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey!
Exactly. Uncle, that is what they want to do. Can't you see?
Now listen. The deity of Ugwuoke is a sincere and straightforward deity. And to crown it all, it's the kind of deity you cannot bribe. You don't bribe it. It doesn't kill innocently. Yes.
My dear, if your mother is innocent, nothing will happen to her.
That is the truth.